In this lecture, we will create company, as the business requirement is that the intercompany sales transaction takes place in between UK and US company codes. So in order to fulfill that requirement into SAP system, we have to create a company, and then we have to assign the company codes to the company. So what exactly is the company code? It is 6-digit alphanumeric key. As you can see, the business requirement is to create a company by using the alphanumeric key as LE0001, and its transaction code is OX15 to create it on SAP system. So a company consists of one or more company codes. It is also considered for consolidated reporting. It means that you can create a consolidated reporting for all the company codes by using the company. It represents a business organization for which individual financial statements can be created according to the relevant commercial law. It is necessary to maintain for internal trading or intercompany transactions. And its transaction code is OX15, and here is the menu path to define company into SAP system, which I will do it now. So I am already in display IMG screen under the node enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here you can see the node called define company. Execute it and you will be landed on the screen. So you have two options to create company. First is to select any of the company and then click copy button, or you can create it as new entries. And also you notice its title is internal trading partners. So we will create company as new entries, and we will name it as LE001. So the company name will be LE Computers. LE Computers World US LLC. So I will choose the street. Let's enter New York Road, and PO Box I will create it as 10001. City will be New York, and country or region will be US. Language key English, and currency will be US dollars. So as our company is based in US, so accordingly we have to fill this information here. Press enter and then hit save. And we have to create a new customizing request, and that will be define company. Hit save, press enter to continue. And the data was saved. So that's how we can create a company. Now we have to go back and then go back again. Now we have to assign our company codes to the company. So go to the assignment node and then execute assign company code to company. And here first we will locate our company codes. So go to position and locate UK company code. And here we will assign the company to the company codes. So the company we created, that was LE0001 and LE0001, the same company against all the company codes you have. So you will receive this message: the company currency differs from company code currency. You can ignore this warning by pressing enter. The reason the warning message is coming because the UK company code currency is GBP. And if you have got other company codes created, so you can assign the same company against them as well. That's it. And press enter to ignore this warning message and then hit save. And then you can use the same customizing request for this assignment. Press enter to continue. And the data was saved.